In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix household problem in laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV where your Netflix household was originally set up. Then open your web browser or the Netflix app on your laptop, sign in to your account and try streaming again. If you're traveling or using your laptop away from home, select I'm traveling or watch temporarily if that option appears. Netflix may send a verification code to the account owner's email address or phone number, so enter the code to continue watching. If you are the account owner and you have recently moved or changed your home internet, sign in to the Netflix on the TV connected to your new home Wi-Fi and update your Netflix household by following the on-screen prompts. Also make sure you are signed in with the correct Netflix account, disable any VPN or proxy service, clear your browser cache and cookies. Click on this icon given at the top left, then select Cookies and Site Data, click on Manage on Browser Site, click on this trash icon for Netflix, confirm it. Again log in back. Finally, restart your laptop and reconnect to the internet before trying again. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.